Hello there. Hello. It's Anastasia Hawes, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel, a place to come to learn how to make money online because nobody teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by this actual live via Facebook as well as YouTube. And if it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a beat when we go live. And other than that, what are we going to talk about today? Well, before we dive right into that topic, let me give a couple of shout outs to our loyal and awesome subscribers. We have Priscilla Shway. Hello, Priscilla. Good to see you. Tracy Lee. Hey, man. What's going on? Welcome. Mike. Hey, Mike. What's up? How are you? Yeah, man. Good to see you. Always. Pleasure. Awesome. Yeah, Rich is actually stepping out for a moment. You guys got me today. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I actually have my hair straightened today. I did it myself. Thank you. So I'm really excited about today's topic because this is something that the industry needs to know about, and they need to literally put focus because this is a new month. And this month is July. So happy July, everybody. Happy July. Okay. And what we're going to talk about today is one of the most important words, but we probably don't have a good definition of what to do about it. It's momentum. Momentum. How do we get it? You know, what's it all about? You know, how does one even find momentum? I mean, who can build momentum when it comes to building, your businesses, right? Now, we're going to focus on network marketing because the majority of the people that we train, coach, and mentor are people who actually are struggling in network marketing. So we're going to focus on this emphasis today. And what I want to do is pull up my notes here, and I want to share with you guys how to pick up the pace. That's today's topic. How can you pick up the pace in your network marketing business? Who here, post in the chat and let me know who here owns a network marketing business. You don't need to tell me the company because that's irrelevant, but I need to know, are you in the industry? Are you involved in network marketing? Now, what is the form of network marketing? Basically, you are part of some matrix or a program or company that's like similar to Herbalife or similar to Melaleuca. Or Lavelle, right? And they have, like a stair-step breakaway type system, and they have, different levels for you to rank up, and you sell physical products as a distributor. So that would be considered network marketing, okay? So what we want to do is talk about how we can handle this month, being that today is July 1st. We are going to talk about this on Monday. We're going to talk about building momentum. And there's different forms of momentum that I want to talk about, okay? So let me look in the chat. I want to see some engagement here. Let's take a look here. Yes, okay, so some people here are involved in network marketing. See what I'm saying? Very important. So you are still in network marketing. Now, here's the question. Do you feel that the momentum has died in your business right now? Put in the chat. Do you feel that the momentum right now has died in your business, in your network marketing business, the one that you're currently marketing right now? Do you feel the momentum has kind of gone stale, kind of died a little bit? Let me know here who's having trouble, because I want to help you. I want to really help you out today. Okay, Coach Ace is going to give you a hand today with some information that's really going to knock your socks off and help you figure out how to build the fire. Okay, the ring of fire inside your business with your network marketing opportunity. Okay, absolutely. Okay, great. Yeah, you do definitely feel like the momentum has died. This is a typical problem that happens. Okay, guys, it happens to us all. No matter what industry it is, even traditional businesses, they start off with a great launch. And then all of a sudden, the momentum is there, the fire is there. And then what happens to that fire? It starts to die away, just like fire does, right? Fire doesn't last forever. Fire will literally die out. This is what happens to your business. Your business will end up getting this momentum in the very beginning. Everybody's excited. Everybody's doing all this marketing. And all of a sudden, momentum dies. What do you do about that? How do we bring that back up? Well, I'm going to share with you exactly those pointers and tips. Okay. So first of all, number one, what you want to do is focus on self-accountability. Write that down. Self-accountability. You need to hold yourself accountable. Now, how do you do that? How do you build momentum? You start with yourself. It's your self momentum. Okay. You got to have your self momentum. So self momentum is self-accountability. You are to become the leader, not the follower. Okay. You become the leader. You're doing the work. You taking the action. Okay. Because your team members are looking at you, and your team members will do what you do, not what you say. Okay. You must hold yourself accountable for this month, this July. Let's kick off July great, right? Let's build that momentum in this month, right? Get it going. This month, hold yourself accountable and build that self momentum. That's number one. Number two, team member accountability. Now, to have the team member accountability, there needs to be some type of accountability partnership. Okay. So within your team, let's say when you personally recruited like 5 to 10 team members in your organization, okay, you're looking for a good 2 to 3 good people that could be possible leaders in your group, and spend time with them. Help them out, get their questions answered, figure out where they're stuck, and help them get the results that they need in their business in order for them to have their own self-accountability. Okay? It all relates, right? So when they have their own self-accountability and they have that partnership with you, then they will do the same with their team members. And guess what that means? It's called team duplication. They will have that team member duplication, and they themselves will feel like a leader. They will feel like they're a part of something. They will feel like they're doing something, right? And that's what we do with our team members when we build our business, is we teach our team members to be leaders, and they hold themselves accountable. And what they do is they create their own little groups, and they work with only individuals who are moving and shaking, right? They don't work with people who are just waiting for you to do work for them. It doesn't work that way. They want to work with people who want the help, the advice, the assistance, and the support, so that they can get their questions answered and get moving, right? Get marketing, get things going, right? This is why it's great to focus on building your team. You see, one of the best things about having the network marketing business is you can build sales organizations to the wazoo. You can have lots and lots of people in your organization. The question is, who's who? You have a portion of them that's probably 50 to 75% are all customers buying and paying for auto ship for the products. And you know what? What ends up happening is none of them are really building the business. They're just buying the products. But then you have the other percent, the very few, the people that just want to be leaders. They want to get those car bonuses. They want the travel trip bonuses. They want the cash bonuses. They want to rank up, to level up. Those are the people you want to focus on. They're the ones that have the potential to basically be leaders in your team. So keep your eye out for people who are moving and shaking, because those are the people you want to spend the time with, not the ones that are not doing the work. Is this making sense? Okay. Number 3, now that you have this foundation getting ready to be built up, right? Because you can't build a house without putting down the first brick. The number 3 is you want to have your program's momentum, right? The program. So whatever network marketing opportunity you're part of, you want to have momentum in there as a company whole, right? The company whole. So like, let's say, for example, in the next 3 to 6 months, right? Usually they're scheduled around, spring break or so. There is a live event going on, and you were asked by your upline to be there, and you bought yourself your first ticket. Guess what that means? You're not going alone. Okay, whether it be a convention, an intensive, an immersion, a workshop, whatever, the conference is going to have a lot of people being there. But that doesn't matter. You know what matters? Having your butt there and having your team members there. You see, that's how it works. And that's how duplication is spread out. You need to worry about you, and you need to worry about bringing your leaders to the event. And how do you bring them? I don't mean drag them on a plane, that kind of a thing. I'm talking about encouragement. Encouraging them that it's necessary for them to go to their live event, necessary for them to get their ticket, necessary for them to find their own team members in their organization, to have them also encouraged, to have them buy the ticket, to have them go to the event. Because you know what happens at live events? Many, many secrets get spread out. When you go to a live event, you're talking to the owners, you're talking to the speakers, you're talking to people who you've been talking to online, and you brought them into your network marketing organization. Finally, you meet them in person. You go from online to offline, right? And you're getting to know them. So relationships are being built into solid relationships, into possible long-term relationships that turn into future partnerships. You see, you never burn bridges. Write that down. Never burn bridges. Because the company that you are today may not be around the next 5 to 10 years. You don't know that. But that established relationship that you actually had at the live event will always be with you, right? And that relationship could turn into something. Do you know how many network marketing companies evolved after a live event? How many new companies changed their names over the years because they found the right executives and partners that they actually discovered at another live event? And that company went out of, business, boom, right? All of a sudden, these presidents and executives made cahoots deals, and they decided to create a whole separate new network marketing opportunity. And now you got more distributors coming from the last one to the other one. That's what happens. It's relationships and partnerships that happens with company momentum. So make sure that when you have your next network marketing company event coming up, that you consider how important it is to not just you being there, but your team members being there. Okay? Because that's when the sales really get intense. Because when you're there, your team's there, and guess what happens? Whatever is going on at that event, maybe there's an upsell going on at that event. Who knows? They're going to want to buy what is sold. And you get the credit, and you, because you brought them to the event, you receive the reward. That is awesome, right? You guys getting value from this? Let me know. And last but not least, industry momentum. Industry momentum is really important because you say, wait a second, how is it that it matters to the industry? Well, network marketing is an industry. It's part of the home-based business umbrella. And being a part of that is historical. We are the new professionals when it comes to, building a business that actually can have you working from home and you building 6, 7, 8 figures, okay, working from home in the network marketing space. So people having results and the testimonials and the stories that come out of it, that increases the attention for the attraction marketing to happen and start kicking in for other possible customers to want to get involved in your network marketing program because they see you having success. They see your team members having success. They read the testimonials. They heard about the success stories, right? They saw the before weight loss afters. They saw all of that. That attracts them to go, so-and-so is having success. I want that success for me. And those are your definite possible long-term customers and partners that you want in your industry. You want people like that who want what you have to offer. That is incredible. Let me know in the chat you guys got value from what I just shared. Did this make total sense? If it did, comment below this video and let me know that it definitely spoke volumes for you. And what are you going to do to build momentum for the month of July, right? 4th of July in 4 days is coming up. Let's make it happen. Spark the fire in your business. Okay, let's get that spark going. Let's light up that circle of fire. Let's get it going. Build the momentum. You guys know what to do. These tips and more are available on our Freedom by Design YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe, okay? Click the notification bell in the corner so that way you don't miss whenever me and Rich go live and when we upload new content. And with that being said, my name is Anastasia Hall, aka Coach Ace, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.